Welcome to a quick burst of wisdom. Today, we're demystifying the art of dating. First, authenticity is key. Be yourself because pretense is hard to maintain and easy to spot. Second, communication. Open, honest dialogue builds trust and understanding. Third, respect boundaries. Understand that no means no, not convince me. Fourth, show interest. Ask about their hobbies, their dreams, their favorite sports. People love to share their passions. Finally, keep things light and fun. A date isn't an interview, it's an opportunity to enjoy each other's company. Remember, dating is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, and you'll find your perfect match. Until next time, keep these tips in mind. Before we continue to our next segment, let's take a brief break. If you're enjoying our content and finding our dating tips useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more insightful content for you. And hey, we've got a special offer just for our subscribers. Click the link in the description below to get a free Audible book. Dive into the world of romance novels, self-improvement books, or explore any genre that catches your fancy. It's a thank you from us for being a part of our community. Stay tuned, we've got more exciting content coming up. In the next segment, we'll be exploring some real-life dating stories and what we can learn from them. Stick around, you won't want to miss this.